yum, 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 yum. Hi guys, Richard from Burning Spears. My quick Friday night dinner while I've got a brisket on the go. Another video, check it out. I have got some beautiful chicken Fajita truffles prepared by my butcher. And I've stuffed some peppers with Parmesan, cream cheese, and red Leicester, guac, salad, tortillas, amazing quick chow. Have a look at the video and I hope you like it. Let me know if you do. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so the whole ease of the thing, it's all in one pan. Like you would use an oven, same thing, just way cooler. So 180, 200 degrees, probably going to go half an hour on that, and we will check in between to see how we're doing. I expect these to leak a bit. They are full of water and all of that sort of thing, but that'll just add to the whole effect. Okay guys, it's been about just over half an hour, I'd say 35 minutes. I think you can see we're all good there. These things are super juicy in the middle, just gorgeous. Those are cooked nice and soft, ready to rock and roll. All I need to do to complete the Mexican twist is get some of that on the go. I'm going to close up, I'm going to get ready to serve and show you the magic. Okay, let me pull the bread off. Okay guys, so while my brisket's going, my supper's now ready, my dinner. I think it's about 7, 8 in the evening. Fortunately, we're not yet quite in autumn yet, so there's still a bit of light. I'm going to just dish up and show you what I've done, a little bit more close up, and then I'm going to enjoy it so that I can line my stomach. Cheers guys. Right, so I've got my nice tortillas here. These tomatoes were grown by me. There's some beautiful yellow plums, a couple other different varieties. Always taste so much better when you grow them yourself. Some salad leaves and a very garlicky vinegar dressing. Fresh garlic, popping, taking over, strong, 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 the way I like it. You can see the raw garlic over there. Made a little bit of guacamole, avocado, red onion, chili, lime juice, salt, pepper. There we have my little Friday night dinner while my brisket's cooking. Delicious, it looks really good. Of course I've got some Cholula hot sauce. Excuse the fingers, but the toes aren't available. Wowee. Beautiful. Let me taste guys, let me taste Friday night dinner. That is nice. It's earthy, like all Mexican food is. It's definitely got that deep earthy spice connection. Very tasty, well done to my butcher. I'll definitely be stealing his recipe. The jalapeno coming right in at the end. The cheese, the punch of the sharpness of the cheese, the Parmesan. The sweetness of the pepper, and then like I say, just getting slammed against the wall by that jalapeno. Not the hottest, but strange enough, this is quite spicy. But damn delicious. I wish you could be here to try it. maybe next time, eh? Thank you for watching. For those of you still watching, thank you very much. I do appreciate it, and I hope you liked the video. Something a little different, and big thank you to Paul Simmons, Simmons Family Butchers in St John's Wood in the UK, for providing me with something different on this Friday night. Otherwise I would have had to make it, and I'm already making the brisket, so thank you, kind sir. Delicious, and can't wait to cook the next one. Ciao.
That's it.